2016 Chevy Camaro V6 base edition. Works on an RS as well. Basically, we're replacing the thermostat here, the full housing, and there's a lot of screws that you need to take off. There's about this many. You take the ones here in the middle off, and then there's 4 in the back there as well. Once you got those screws off, you can lift up the whole top piece, and then it's easy access from there. And then you have to just make sure you don't drain. I mean, you can drain the coolant, but don't spill a whole bunch. Okay, so we got the new thermostat in there. The old housing looked like this, a little more difficult to take out because it was extended. Putting it in is a lot easier. This was causing problems with the AC, not blowing cold air. Also, the radiator fan continuously running. But basically what we did, we had to take out the intake here, take off the top piece so we can get access to some more bolts. So there's about 4 or 6 bolts here, 4 in the back. Getting into here was a little more difficult. The bolt there, a little difficult to get to, but not that hard to tighten up. And then the bolt back there as well, if you can see that. So there's 2 bolts in there. Other than that, now it's time to just put everything back together.